Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. I hope I never horn. It is what it is, and it's raining crazy out there. I hope you're taking care of yourself, guys. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah, enough about that. This is the Van Rap Radio, and this is how we do it. When we do it, we never stop, man. We give you the best of the best out of the rest.
Van Rap Radio.
Microwave cup of Bam pan this one.
Your boy FELO.
Van Rap Radio.
Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio once again. And if you're asking yourself, damn man, Rams Comics. Rams Comics is those guys that are behind Nokoma Shaba, Malume Dons, the show that have taken South Africa and the world by storm. It's one of the comedy cartoons that, man, when every time the episode drops, you know you're definitely going to laugh. You know, definitely going to have some fun. And right now, they're trying a new show, man. They got a new show. This show is about cockroaches. First thing that I saw was like, do you ever wonder what cockroaches do when, when you're sleeping and all that? Do you ever wonder what cockroaches are up to, man? So what hit me was like, fuck, what do this? What Mara? Will they be up to, Mara? It's supposed to mean when we were sleeping. Then I was like, you know what? Let me check out this clip, because right now they have a brand new show that they're trying out. The show called Ever Wonder What Roaches Do When You Are Asleep. So let me play you the clip, guys. It's a nice show. I think they should bring it also, man. They should let it be. They should let it play. They should bring more about it. They should make it a series. They did confirm they're not killing Noko. No. Noko is gonna continue. Malume Dons and Noko, they're still gonna continue. But right now they're just giving us a new series also of the cockroaches. My bete.
Microwave kapatong zinking kamo. Ariam mahua. Microwave kapatong zinking kamo. Microwave kapatong zinking kamo.
Hi Malum, kikupa di taxi saya ko kamereng.
Jambazan, uzontshela mosuqeda lokupha.
You sorry Malum. Bengisaqala ama taxi ke kamereng.
Hey man, my sister, awuna dijo ka kamereng. Ochunangda.
I know Abuti. Dijo ke nna.
Yo. Yes.
Utlwile.
Yes. Machita mongwa alaki man. Black set. Microwave kapatong zinking kamo.
Yeah, man. That's the show. Microwave kapatong zinking ngangeno taxi ke. Man, I just loved the moment they started and she spoke in Ngachitswana and the Zulu guy goes like, "Hey, Zongchela, do you tell me more stopping to Papa?" Huh? Yeah, man. And then she's huye ugudla ekamereni. It's like, come on, man. It seems like this is gonna be one hell crazy show, man. So yeah, man. I give it a thumbs up. Some niggas are like it. Honestly speaking, like yo, man. Some niggas are like Black Sam. Yeah, man. So I'm hoping. I don't know what you guys think. You can also comment, like, and share. Tell us what you think about this. Should they bring this show? Should they give us this new show so that we can enjoy and not just enjoy Nokoma Shaba? No, they should work on different series, man, because definitely these guys are way too good. They are dope, man. They're way perfect. They're great at what they do, man. They always give us the original craft. No, most of the cartoons, when you look at them these days, they lack that graphic, and like everything is just not there, man. There's something missing. Come on, I understand this 3D, but this 3D seems to have messed up a couple of things. But yeah, man, enough about that. So, man, we tend to enjoy all this. So if you think we should be having this series, man, you can comment down below, and I'm gonna drop a link. You can also just follow the channel, and then you can also comment right there, because I'm gonna drop a link of the video at the description. Big up to Rams Comics. You guys are doing great job. I'm hoping to see more of this work. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Let's get a little drawing going, you know? Yeah, that's what it is. What up, ASAP Rocky? What up, my nigga?
Count down the arm. Count down the arm. Get.
Radio.